have legs. Snakes crawl. Snakes crawl. Some snakes lay eggs. You can see, children, eggs. Yes, some snakes lay eggs. Kids, crocodiles and alligators can walk. So children, they can walk also and they can crawl. They can swim in the water and they lay eggs. My dear lovely kids, turtles and tortoises are lay eggs and they can walk and they walk slow. They can swim also, children. Lizards crawl, children, and they also lay their eggs. So kids, after that, take out your preschool rhymes and songs A-book. Open the page number 38. So children, hear a story, The Hare and the Tortoise. So kids, there is a story. This is a hare. We can say rabbit. Do you remember that what animal rabbit is? Yes, domestic animal. And this is a tortoise. This is a reptile. So children, put your finger in your books. One day a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. So children, they have decided a race. Okay. Then tortoise moves very slowly, and the rabbit or hare runs very fast. So once upon a time, the rabbit and the tortoise decided a race. The race started. Okay, the race began. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise moved slowly. So children, the race started and the rabbit ran very fast. And poor tortoise started walking, and children, he walked very slow. Tortoise moves very slow, children. So the hare looked back. The tortoise was far behind. So he went to sleep. The tortoise kept moving slowly but steadily. So children, what happened the next? When the rabbit looked behind, you can see, children, looked behind or back, he saw that tortoise is too from him. Tortoise is too far away. So what he thought? He thought that the tortoise is too far. Let me take some rest. And what happened? He slept there under the tree. यहाँ पे वो सो गया. When the hare woke up, the tortoise had already reached the winning post. So what happened? When the rabbit wakes up from sleep, so he noticed that the tortoise is not anywhere. But do you know, children, turtles that had reached the finishing line had also won this race. Do you know, children? Rabbit thought. Rabbit thought that no one can faster than me, and he thought that I am the faster runner. And you know, when he woke up, already the tortoise reached that finishing line and won the race. So kids, moral is slow and steady wins the rain. बेचारा जो tortoise था, वो धीरे धीरे अपनी रेस को जीत गया और इसने सोचा मैं तो बहुत फास्टर हूँ, मुझसे पहले कौन जाएगा. So children, I hope you enjoyed this story. Okay, then I'll ask you some questions. Are you ready? Okay. Does the tortoise run fast? No, he is very slow. Tortoise is very slow. Okay. What mistake did the rabbit make? Rabbit ने कौन सी mistake कर दी थी? Yes, rabbit fell asleep. Rabbit तो सो गया था. Who won the race, kids? Rabbit or tortoise? Yes, this tortoise won the race. Take out your Be an Artist book. Open the page number 32, children. So, what we have to do here? Decorate the tortoise back using wood powder as shown. You can see the picture here. Yes, this is a reptile. This is a tortoise, children. Wooden powder is provided behind this book. So, you can take out from here. You can see, children. Okay. This is a shell, children. You can see in this area. You can see this area is already colored. So, in these spots, we have to paste this wooden powder. Cut like that, kids. Apply some glue like that. You have to apply like that, children, in these spots. You can see how I'm doing. You have to apply in this area also. Now put this wooden paper like that and paste over here in these spots. You can see, children. Yes, with the help of your fingers. So kids, you have to fill this wooden powder in these empty areas. Down also you have to do it neat and clean. Follow the instructions. So kids, revise the topic every day. Keep smiling. Bye bye.